Sawadika.
สวัสดีค่ะ Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Thank you for having you back today to CATC. It's been a very long time after the pandemic.
Yes, we are also very happy to be here after 2019.
So this is a good day for CATC and as well as Buddha Air. So
Yes.
could you please introduce yourself to us first?
Yes, my name is Subarna Kharel. I have joined the year 2 decades back, and I was former student of CATC. I have done my initial flight operation officer course in 1999. Since then, we are here every year for our refresher course. As the time passes, I'm also growing up as a manager in my airline. So we're happy to CATC to be here to the destination.
All right. So I have some few questions to ask you.
Okay.
It's going to be very useful for our management and CATC to improve our training courses and facilities. Shall we start from the first
Yes,
one?
sure.
Okay. As you are our former student in 1999, how do you feel the changing of CATC these days?
When I started my career in CATC as a FO initial course, and if I compare today, it is totally transformation. When I was in 99, the building was very small and environment was too cool. Now, according to the time and the regulation, CATC has changed according to the requirement of ICAO
Yes.
and as well as the infrastructure of the requirement of the time. So CATC having world-class standard for any student training.
Okay. Yes. Okay. And you have attended vibration officer refresher course every year. Do you think about how do you feel about our instructors, management, and training facilities?
Okay, regarding all instructors are subject matter expert and they are quite experienced on their field. So the reason that we are here to have a quality refresher course all the time. All the instructors are almost 2 decade experience on their subject and matter, and they have a good English fluency.
Yes.
So we can learn in a good environment. So we are totally satisfied of the instructor and the subject that CATC is improving according to the IQ regulation every year,
Yes.
and it is also requirement of our country to have the same standard.
It's so nice to hear that too.
Okay.
So, is there the possibility for us to have an agreement between CATC and Buddha Air in the future?
Yes, as a part of that, this time I have conducted compliance audit, which is the part of our quality audit from Buddha Air, and which is the part of our CA Nepal also. So on that particular requirement, we have one questions for the audit purpose that we need to have agreement between Buddha Air and CATC to have standardization between Buddha Air and CATC for the future.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, and beside that, since 2000, we are sending all our initial dispatchers as well as the refresher to CATC, and already we have 15 dispatcher product from CATC.
Yeah, I guess so.
And all the students are doing very good, which have enhanced our safety standard in flight operation.
You are making me so happy to hear that because all Buddha Air dispatchers graduated from CATC. Right?
Yes.
Okay. And just for the last question, could you please tell Thai people if we want to visit Nepal in some day?
Yes, we always invite all the nationals, not only the Thai people, and especially we have a very good relation with Thai as the Lord Buddha had born in Nepal.
Right.
And we have top of the world, Mount Everest. So we invite all the Thai people to come anytime. And we have very good weather, not like hot in Thailand. So we welcome everybody all the time. In our language, for the guest, Atiti Devo Bhava. That is, guests are like a god.
Okay.
So always guest to welcome in our country.
Thank you
That
so
is our
much.
pride.
Thank you so much. And I can promise that someday I'm going to visit Nepal.
Always welcome.
Okay. And I think it's finished for the question today, and thank you so much for your time. And it was wonderful talking with you. Do you have any more?
Yes, I feel proud that where I study, and I'm continuing to study every year on the same institute, and that institute has developed itself to meet the old standard, and we're happy, and Buddha is growing with CATC.
Okay.
Thank you very much
Thank you
for the
very
time
much.
and the interview.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Glue and until the cylinder is empty. Alright? But in the other system, it's called the gas